In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card. If you want a reliable, flexible present that people actually use, a gift card is a great choice. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can pick the right card, pay securely, and deliver it with confidence. First, think about the person you're buying for. Consider where they like to shop, how much you want to spend, and whether a physical card or an e-gift card fits the moment. This quick bit of planning makes the rest of the process simple and keeps your gift thoughtful and on budget. Next, choose the store or brand. Go with a place you know they love or a well-rounded option they're likely to use. Once you're on the retailer's gift card page, decide between a physical card or an e-gift card. A physical card is great if you want something to hand over or place in a greeting card. It may take a few days to arrive, so plan for shipping time. An e-gift card arrives by email, often within minutes, which is perfect for last-minute gifts or long-distance recipients. Now select the amount. Many retailers offer preset amounts and sometimes let you enter a custom value. Pick a number that matches your budget and feels useful for the recipient. If you're unsure, choose a common amount that comfortably covers a typical purchase at that store. Add the recipient's email or address. For an e-gift card, double-check the spelling of the email to make sure it lands in the right inbox. For a physical card, confirm the mailing address, including apartment or unit details, to avoid delivery delays. If the site offers a delivery date, you can often schedule the e-gift to arrive on a specific day. Add a personal message if you like. A short note such as a birthday wish, congratulations, or a simple enjoy adds a warm touch and makes the gift feel more personal. When you're ready, pay with a debit card, credit card, or an accepted e-wallet. Make sure you're on the retailer's secure checkout page and review your billing details before submitting payment. Before you finalize, take a moment to confirm the order. Review the brand, card type, amount, recipient details, and your message. If everything looks good, place the order. Finally, send the gift card or print it. An e-gift card will be emailed to the recipient, and you'll usually receive a confirmation. If you opted for a physical card, keep your receipt and tracking info. For printable gift cards, save the file, print it clearly, and present it nicely. That's it. You've successfully bought a thoughtful gift card.